Hello, this is K, your travel boss. I remember in my last video, I promised you that I'll be posting a part 2 of the visa application process to New Zealand. I come your way today to do exactly what I said. That is showing you the step-by-step way to go through the website and to fill the form and to apply for a visa so we can get a successful result, so we can explore beautiful places of the country of New Zealand. Do not just watch, kindly share, subscribe, like. It will really mean a lot to me. Let's do this. So this is our page. First you click on New Zealand visa and then you scroll through the page a bit. You will see explore and select visa as the first option. You click that. You wait for the page to load and it will ask you how you want to explore the country. You have to select the visa, what you are going to do there. It's either to visit a family, to work, study, start a business, or live permanently. Pick one of them. And this, we are going to pick the visit visa. Now, the next question is, which country's passport are you using? I'm in Ghana, so I will be clicking on Ghana. Then they will ask you how long you wish to stay, either less than 3 months or more than 3 months. They might give you a multiple entry to which is extendable. They will also ask you what is the main purpose of your visit, to which you have to pick, either for a holiday, business, but in this case, we click holidays. And then there's a button there that gives you the options that you are qualified for. You click on this button, that is display options. Right beneath the display options, with the options they give to you, you have to scroll down to the bottom, almost the bottom, to see the view visa and details and apply, and then you click that. Then we come to the apply page. Here you will see the length of stay. That means though you selected more than 3 months, they could give you up to 9 months, which you may extend if you want to. Then they also give you the amount you have to pay, which is in New Zealand dollars, 211. Then the processing time, 90% is processed around 38 weeks. Then you click apply online. Now they will take you to a platform called RealMe. This is where you fill your application form. You have to click login. If you don't have an account, you create an account. But because you have an account, I am going to log in with my account. They are just simple questions to answer to create an account. I already have an account, so 1 minute, I'll log in. Also, this is where your form is, where you'll be filling your form. So you have to come to this page. After logging in, you have your sharing ID, which if you wish to share your ID to anybody else that wants to travel with you to know your process, this is where you'll be looking at your visas that you have acquired, and all that by clicking the My Visa button. You scroll down. If you have any pending visa, like I have a visa accepted, that is showing down that was my last visa I applied for in 2022 September. But here, because we are applying for a new visa, on your right, there's apply for a visa button. You click that. You wait for the page to load and then you scroll down. Here they'll be telling you what you'll be needing to pay, and they accept Visa, MasterCard, all that. You'll also be, like I said, you have to upload your document yourself. I'll be talking about the document and requirements in a bit. So here they will still ask you questions. Why are you applying? Like, are you applying as a temporary class visa or a resident visa? Depends on what you want. This we are selecting a temporary class visa. Then they will ask you, are you outside New Zealand? To which yes, because you are applying from an outside New Zealand, like an outside country that is different from New Zealand, you have to click yes. Like I'm from Ghana, so I click yes. So the type of visa you want to apply, we'll be selecting visitor in this, though there are more options to pick from. Then the next, they will ask you if you are part of a visa waiver country. There are particular people who are eligible for NZTA, who are in visa waiver countries. Here we are going to look at some of the countries that are in the visa waiver countries, so that at the end of the day, we don't end up making mistakes, picking a country that probably we are already in the visa waiver country and then we still clicked no. So we have to check. So here I'm looking for Ghana. You may look for your country too. I'm looking for Ghana. That was Solomon Island. No. So apparently there is no Ghana in the waiver country. So no, I'm not applying from a visa waiver country. Now I have to again select my purpose of visit. Tourism or for holiday, because I selected visitors. So that I'm visiting family or what. So I'm going for a holiday or vacation. You confirm that. You scroll down. This visa allows you to visit for holidays and all that. Now, the button down there is for you to start your application. As easy as that. So we are waiting for it to process. You'll be seeing more of this processing please wait button when you are filling the form and saving it more times. You can also save the form at a particular stage if you feel that your internet is bad or you want to continue another time and you come back, just log in. Here, this pay and submit icon or button will not be clickable, because to them you need to finish filling the form and then agree before you start. So now they've created a space for you to start your application. If you don't want to add another application, you click here. That is if you are traveling with someone, or in the future if you want to, like you have this for life. But when you click on continue on here, you are starting your visa application. Like I said, you will not be able to pay unless you have actually finished with your form. Here, your visa process, voila, has started. You are few minutes away from applying for your visa. So here they'll be asking you. Some people have all their names in one space, depending on the country. But in Africa, we have our surname different. And then down there, we have our first name and middle name, like probably attached to the first name. So here, do you have a mononym? No, we don't. So it depends on your country and the passport you're using. But here in Ghana, or most of African countries, we do not use a mononym. So what we click is, we'll be selecting the no. Yes, which now takes us to where we need to put in our name. Okay, so the given name, which is the first name, then your middle name and your surname. And then, have you ever used other names? No. If you are known for other names, then you have to pick this. I would not be able to fill the form because it is just a simple form to fill. It is easy, but because I already have an application ongoing and I have previous application, I might not want to start filling the form again, because I can't fill multiple forms in my name. So have you previously traveled to New Zealand? No, you haven't. If yes, please, if you've been refused visa before to New Zealand, do not say you haven't. Do not lie. If not, you'll be banned. Even if someone has applied for you once and you've been refused, kindly, even if you've changed passport and you've been refused once and you are using the same name, same passport picture, yes, please say the truth. Do not lie. Please, like I said, do not lie. It is important to state the truth. So we are still on our form. You have to fill all this. Do you hold any other citizenship? You have to fill it up. And then you come to, if you need to save and continue immediately, then yes. But if you need to save for later, then you click save and exit. You will receive a link that will help you continue later, or when you log in back in this platform or on this website, you'll be able to continue. So you have to fill for your character, your health, your employment history, your relationship, if you are married, an immigration assistant, then supporting documents, which is the major topic we'll be treating. Supporting document. After the supporting document, you'll be coming to review and declare. That's later. That is when you end and then pay. But the most important part of this application is the supporting document we'll be talking about very soon. And because of time, unfortunately, we might not be able to cover this whole supporting document topic. But in my next video, I'll tell you everything about the document you need to apply. If you like me to make more of these videos, showing you step by step on how to go about your visas and your refusal letters and how to acquire visas to various countries or different countries, kindly, your interest, which is your like, your share, and your subscription will mean a lot to me. It will make me feel like I'm doing something important and to continue doing what I'm doing. Once again, I am K, the travel boss. Until next video.